Hey flower friends, Luann here. Let's quickly review how to edit an item in EveryStem. We will start on the summary page of an event. I'll click on the dashboard, I'll go over to my upcoming event, and I'm on the summary page. You'll see here that you can hover over the name of any item and that it will change from black to teal. By clicking on the item's name, you can make the Edit Item modal appear. This gives you the option to edit any of the item information and to remove the item from all of the pages in this event. You'll click the copper Remove from Event button, and this item will no longer appear on any of the pages in this event. Let's move over to one of the recipe pages, any of the pages that's not the summary page. This is where you'll build your recipes. You can also click on any item on these pages and the Edit Item modal will appear. You can change the item name, vendor name, price, markup, stem or bunch, and stems per pack information. You can adjust the image link, and you can swap out items using this Edit Item modal. You can also remove an item from the page that you are working on by clicking the copper Remove button. If you want to edit the item information for an item going forward, let's say the price has changed and it's going to affect several of your events. That's when you'll want to switch over to the library. Let's say, for example, this orchid is going to change in price. So we'll go over to our library. We're going to find that item, and we're going to edit the price. It's going from $2.49 to $2.69. We'll go ahead and click Submit, and we'll see that that price has been updated in our library. Now, when we want to adjust this in an event or multiple events that we need to change this price in, we're going to use a feature called the Library Item Updates feature. You can click on the name of the events that you'd like to update, and then you'll click the Library Item Updates button. Now we'll be able to see when we look at the reception page of our event and we look at our orchid, the price has already been updated to $2.69. Now we can go ahead and adjust our recipes because some of the pricing may have changed because our orchid got more expensive. Let's note that new events use the most recent information you've entered for an item into the library, including the price, when you're adding items using the Add Item modal. So if you've entered an item in your library and you click Add Item, all the items that are in the From My Library section are going to have your most recent updated price from the library. When a flower or item's information is changed in the library, it will only affect new events you create after that change has been made. It will not change the old events until you select the events you want to update and click on the Library Item Update button. And when a flower or item's information has been changed in an event, it will not be automatically updated in the library. To make a permanent change that affects your events, you'll want to change the item's information in the library. So for example, we'll go into the library, and if we need to change the price again, let's say it went up to $2.79, we can go over to our dashboard and we'll want to use the Library Item Updates button. So we can select multiple events, and then we can click the Library Item Updates button, and it will update our pricing in those events. If you need to make a one-time change, let's say the price of an item has gone up for an existing event like Valentine's Day. Let's just open this event and pretend. We could change the item here. So if we have a garden rose pink and it's $4.90, but this is an event for Valentine's Day and our wholesaler said it's going to go up to $5.90, we can edit it right here inside this event, and it will not change the pricing in the library or the pricing in any other event. This ensures that you control your item information. Historical pricing information can be very useful, so we want your pricing and ordering history to be accurate. Using the Edit Item modal for changes in your events, and using the library plus the Library Item Updates feature to update your pricing ensures that you're in control of prices as they fluctuate. Accurate pricing is essential to powering your business's profitability, so please reach out if you have any questions about editing your item information in EveryStem.